Updating your account details on Discovery Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Discovery Plus website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Account Details. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Account Details or Profile Information. Click on this to view your current account information. Step 4. Update your information. Before changing your settings, use the sRocketCom link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Discovery Plus account details up to date. Regularly checking your information helps maintain a smooth streaming experience.